Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and welcome to my very first video. This video is just going to be a quick introduction to who I am, what this channel is about, and what you can expect going forward. So without further ado, let's get to it. My name is Tanya Riedlinghuis. English people have a good time with that one. I am 28 years old, currently married to the man of my dreams, and we've got two beautiful children, and together we live in Johannesburg in the sunny South Africa. Now, before I can go forwards, I just want to take you all back just very quickly so you can understand kind of where I come from and why I am the way I am today. So when we were really little, my mom and dad got a divorce, so it's always just been me, my mom, and my sister. And I was a little chubby at school, I'm not gonna lie. I was quite heavy for my tiny frame, and because of that I was bullied quite often. I was just very insecure, and I got really good with faking it. I never liked sports. I hated athletics day. I mean, hated athletics day, okay? And I finished school, and because I was an adult now, I mean, I could have dessert for breakfast, and I did. Okay, I really did. And that obviously aided to my weight gain. I think at my heaviest, now this might not, it might not seem a lot to some people, but I'm really tiny, okay? My bone structure, I've recently realized, is quite tiny. I'm only 1.61 meters tall, and at my heaviest, I weighed 68 kilograms, and I didn't feel great. I couldn't run because I would get out of breath, and I just didn't like it. So I started with the ketogenic diet and very quickly lost, quite a lot of weight. I mean, I lost 5 kilos in the first week, poof, just like that. And I knew it was just the water weight. But I really liked the ketogenic way of eating. I found it quite easy in the beginning, and then as it went on, I found it quite restrictive because you can't really have fruit. I mean, you can have berries and stuff, but most fruits are a no-go. And I demonized carbs. I mean, carbs literally were from the devil, okay? You don't eat rice, you don't eat pasta, you don't eat bread, you don't eat starchy veg, you don't do that. And I quickly realized that that was not really a sustainable way for me to live. So I went down from 68 kilograms to round about 58 kilograms. And I then started working as an external sales consultant. So what happens when you're on the road all day? You have very easy access to takeaways. And I kind of fell into this routine again of having a lot of takeaways and, just foods that really weren't good for me. Then I fell pregnant with my son. I gained 20 kilos with that pregnancy, eating literally for two adult men. Gained 20 kilos. I was literally, you guys, I was waddling around, okay? I just know that that is not, 84 kilos is not a good fit on me. I lost all of that weight and got back to my 64 average. We planned our had my second baby. I was eating a bit healthier during this pregnancy, but I still gained 15 kilos, which wasn't that bad. And for some reason, I lost it quite quickly afterwards. So I was back to pre-pregnancy weight about 2-3 weeks after I gave birth, which was hectic, okay, to put my body through that. and as a brand new mom of two, I mean, I was completely overwhelmed, okay? Completely. I mean, I've always wanted to be a wife and a mom. I mean, that was my ultimate hashtag life goals right there. I had all of this and I was overwhelmed. So, I mean, I ate when I got the chance. I mean, I was extremely health conscious for my children, but I did not apply that same concern to myself. So, I mean, when I would make them all of these healthy meals, I would just eat chocolate because it was quick energy. I mean, that sugar, you know, it gives you the quick energy, it makes you feel full quickly. I was drinking easily 6 liters of Coke a day. I mean, at this point, I'm pretty sure I was just running on sugar, and no wonder my teeth are in the state that they are in, and I wasn't feeling great because I was not looking after myself. Okay, so fast forward to December 2018, I had finally had enough. I said enough is enough. I need to start taking care of myself. I had poured my everything into my children. I mean, my marriage wasn't like on the rocks or anything, but I mean, it wasn't great. You know, it's not the marriage that I wanted. I was not being the wife that I wanted to be. So I decided that, you know, things have got to change. We need to make a change and it needs to happen right now. So we did. Between December 2018 to February 2019, I had already lost quite a bit of weight. So I was at my average 64 in December and worked my way down to 58 kilos by February. We joined the challenge. I started running 5 kilometers every day. That quickly turned to a 10K every now and then. I joined a gym. I worked out at home when I got the chance. You know, we started cooking healthy meals, no more takeout. We literally were cooking at home all the time. It was just so good. And I just felt so great. I felt amazing. I lost 7 kilos, so I went down from 58 kilograms to 51 kilograms. So I was, you know, pretty skinny at this point. And I just, you know, I got there and I was like,
I'm skinny now. Okay. That's nice.
And I very quickly realized that being skinny doesn't automatically make you happy. So I decided to join the challenge again, but to focus on weight training. And I did. And you guys, the first week, I hated it. Literally, I think I probably cried to my husband after the second day because I could not move. I felt horrible. And then slowly but surely, I fell in love with weight training, you guys. I mean, I felt invincible, okay? I felt so strong. I could see, you know, my body changing, and I absolutely loved it. My husband and I started meal prepping for a week, you know, in advance, and that was awesome. It gave me so much time with my kids and to do things that I wanted to do. And then hit wintertime and July came, and I kind of fell off the wagon a little bit there, and I was just under so much pressure. And honestly, I think that pressure was self-made. I feel like I just took on too much. And I kind of crumbled, you know, my whole, my routine, everything just came apart, and I was like clinging on for dear life. But looking back now, I see that it was overtraining, just straightforward overtraining. I did not give my body the rest that it needed. I mean, if I wasn't weight training, I was running 5Ks, 10Ks. You know, I was doing body weight exercises, or I was blogging, or I was playing with my kids, or I was, you know, it was a lot for me on my plate at that time, and I just couldn't take it anymore. So when I get overwhelmed, I've noticed this about me, when I get overwhelmed with all of the things that I need to do, I don't do anything. Good job. So yeah, that's really a way to tackle it. But I also had time to think, and I realized that I'm not the only person who is struggling with so many things on my plate. So many women reached out to me and said, I am battling. How do you do this? How do you, how can I train when I'm at home with my kids all day? Or how do you cook healthy meals and work and look after your kids and train and all of those things? And I realized, there's so much information out there for men, or just in general, how to do it, but we don't really cater for busy moms. You guys, it is hectic being a mom, okay? I mean, we are busy. We've got families to look after, kids to keep alive, we've got ourselves to keep alive, husbands, homes to clean, we've got jobs to do, and then obviously our hobbies and all of those things that we want to do. Where does self-care fall into all of that? It really is a lot, and I realized that I've got a passion to help women. I mean, that is what I want to do. Obviously for myself, I've always just wanted to live a happy, healthy, balanced life, and something inside me just got ignited with this challenge, and I realized that I can do so much more than I think that I'm capable of, and I want to ignite that fire in other women. And so I decided, look at this guys, I'm so passionate about just helping women. And so I decided that I am going to get my diploma in personal training and sports nutrition. I've also got a course on life coaching, which I feel will just be an added bonus to all of that. And I cannot wait. I started studying that in August last year, 2019. So I will be certified in 2021. Woo! And I'll be able to then take on clients and just help you and empower you and give you the tools that you need to live your happiest, healthiest life. Yeah, can I get an amen? Amen. And that is what I hope to achieve with this channel as well, you guys. I want to empower you. I want to put the power back into your hands, because it is up to you. No one can do this for you. Only you can do this. And I know that it is confusing. There's so much confusing information out there. You just don't know what to do. So I'm hoping to just, get rid of all of the fluff, give you the actual evidence and say, okay, if you do this alone, you will be happier, you'll be healthier, and you'll be able to live your best life. What you can expect to see on this channel, I believe in holistic health and wellness. So that'll include physical wellness, some exercise routines that you can do at gym or at home, with equipment, without equipment. That's always fun. Nutrition is so incredibly important, you guys. Nutrition. Then we've got spiritual wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, social wellness, your parenting, your love life. So, really, this is just holistic health, wellness, and lifestyle is what you are going to be getting from me. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you did not like it, tell me what I can do to improve in the comments below. Please do. I would love to know how I can improve my videos so you would like to watch it. And then before I end this video, I'd like to ask you a question, and I would like you to comment your answer below. What is the one thing that you struggle, to get your head around? Or what is the one thing you struggle with? Is it your nutrition? Is it getting, to exercise enough? Is it to find time to do all of these things? What is that one thing that you just cannot seem to get right? Post it in the comments below, and then let's see if I can help you, or if someone in the comments can give you some cool new ideas. So subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. I will try and upload every single Wednesday. You know, I'm a mama, I got a lot going on in my life, so please bear with me. And then I will drop all of my socials in the description as well. Please go give me a like or a follow. I do love to check out your guys' profiles, and if I love what I see, I will totally give you a like or a follow too. And that is it from me, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you want to see some more of me. Awesome. Thank you so much. Until next week. Bye. Guys, on a very serious note, I've now recorded this video about 7,000 times, so I hope the final product is something you actually like and want to see. So thanks for watching. Bye.